Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the second question from miscellaneous exercise on matrices. Okay, second question. If A is equal to matrix 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, prove that A raised to n is equal to matrix 3 raised to n minus 1 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 3 raised to n minus 1. N belongs to capital N. Okay, then first we have to represent P of n is equal to A raised to n into same question we should write here. Then next n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, A raised to n, here n is equal to 1. You should write n is equal to 1, then we will get A raised to 1. Here 3 raised to 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means that is 0. So 3 raised to 0. Here also we will get 3 raised to 0. 3 raised to 0, 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 3 raised to 0. Okay, 3 raised to 0, that is 1. So we will get 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, so in this case the LHS and RHS are same, so we should write P of n is true for n is equal to 1. Okay, first step completed. Then we have to assume that P of k is true for n is equal to k. Okay, let it be true for n is equal to k. So here instead of n we should write A raised to k, that is equal to A raised to k is equal to 3 raised to k minus 1 3 raised to k minus 1 3 raised to k minus 1. Here second and third row also same, that is 3 raised to k minus 1. Okay, then next step we have to find the value of A raised to k plus 1. A raised to k plus 1 is equal to A raised to k into A. So you should multiply both sides LHS and RHS with A. So A raised to k into A, that is equal to RHS into A. A means the given matrix, that is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, then A raised to k into A means that is A raised to k plus 1, that is LHS. Then we should find out the RHS. First row with the first column. So 3 raised to k minus 1 into 1, that is 3 raised to k minus 1 plus 3 raised to k minus 1 into 1, that is also 3 raised to k minus 1 plus 3 raised to k minus 1 into 1, that is also 3 raised to k minus 1. So you should write here 3 into 3 raised to k minus 1. Here, then first row with the second column, there also we will get 3 into 3 raised to k minus 1, and the first row third column there also 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to k minus 1. Same like in the second and third step also. Then that is equal to 3 into 3 raised to k minus 1. 3 into 3 raised to k minus 1 means 3 into 3 raised to k minus 1, that is equal to, bases are same, so we should add the exponents. So 1 plus k minus 1, that is equal to 3 raised to k. So we should write here 3 raised to k, here also 3 raised to k, 3 raised to k, same like that. Okay, so A raised to k plus 1 is equal to matrix 3 raised to k, 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 3 raised to k. So we can say that P of k plus 1 is true whenever P of k is true. Hence, by principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for all natural numbers. Okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. In the next class, I will come with the further informative classes.